I work on a lot of different things, but one of my favorite and most important things is fixing the dog. Diddy, Diddy. I took too long picking this up. Come here. Do you want to get brushed? You want to get fixed? All right, come on. Let's get some of this off so that it's not in the darn house. She fills up the house pretty quick. She's been out here sunbathing. She's nice and warm. She loves this. It feels so good. Get some of that extra coat off. Cool down. Be a little cooler, hopefully. Yeah. You're such a sweet girl. Best one ever. Like ever. You are a fuzzy thing. My goodness, girl. Oh yeah, is it horrible? Do you not like it? Yeah. This will probably be the best video I've ever posted. Fixing the dog. My most profound content. Most meaningful. I actually feel like it is, or will be. Alright, girlie. I think she's had enough. Let's get the fuzz off your butt. There you go. All better. All better, yeah.